What's up YouTube? Welcome back to ITMASTER-TECHNEWS channel. Today we will unbox something which costs $40 US, and in my opinion this is the best Android smartwatch based on Android Wear with CPU 3100. What is you can get under this value? Let's get started. Let's first unbox this great thing to come out, because this is never happened thing which can $250 watch to be reduced to the $40. This is a huge discount which is dramatically changed the situation. I don't know why the Misfit did this, but this is what it is. Okay, let's see what we get inside. Okay, removing those things. This is the UPS thingy, order summary, description, and this is it. Duplicate, return detail. This is in case we want to return label. Okay, here it is, guys. $40 US for the latest version of Qualcomm's CPU for the Android Wear watches, and this got, so the original price is, as you can see here, $279.99, and I got this watch for $40 US. Let's see what we have. It says Vapor X smartwatch, Misfit, known rebels, trailblazers, maverick, the round pegs in the square holes. Here we see heart rate, pay as you go, Google Pay is working in the countries that it's available, GPS is here, and then waterproof and phone free music. So it means you can download your music to the watch and use it via Bluetooth headphones with your watch. Wear OS by Google, compatible with iPhone and Android. Here is mine is the silver aluminum finish with the white, the blue, navy blue silicone strap, and nothing square about me. Here what it says is Misfit Vapor X smartwatch. We have here is the all European authorized countries list, misfit.com. As you know, the Misfit is the sub-brand of the Fossil, and Fossil watches are not proven with the quality. As you know, everybody knows that Fossil charging ring is falling apart. Let's see what's this watch can give us. And then I will, after the unboxing, I will share the quick review within 7 days of usage. And let's get started with the unboxing. Okay, moving forward, I want to cut it here. And then we go this way, all the way down. Okay, I assume it's opening here. Okay, it goes this way, nothing square about me. Let's more fun when you break the rules. Okay, so okay, just a regular packaging for this type of watches. This is watch itself, and there is a cable and tons of guide booklets. how to use this with your watch and with the charging cradle. Power on, download and pair, quick instructions, and a guide. Big book with a lot of languages there. Let's leave it there. And here we have the charging dock, very small one, as you can see. And that's it. So no charging brick included, as I understand from this. No charger brick is included. Yes. It's just removing like this. And then nothing else. This is a watch itself. Let's open it up real quick. Here is how the navy blue silicone strap is looking. Feeling is the very nice. It's like the soft touch feeling. And here is the charger part. Back of the watch is I think it's not aluminum, but the main frame of the watch is made from aluminum. Let's remove the sticker and do the first boot up if there is a charge for sure. Okay, it's here. Holding the medium button, you will feel the little vibration and device will start booting up very first time. Overall, for $40 US, this device is perfect. It's not something that a high-end smartwatch, but for $40 US for sure you will not regret. Currently, the Misfit website doesn't have any of items. Everything was sold. Misfit Vapor X was sold for $40 US. There was a $30 US Misfit Vapor 2. And there are a lot of other hybrid watches for $20. So I think they are closing or they are clearing their stock, but never seen this kind of discount. So the backside has the heart rate monitor, 2 points, and the charging ring, which is actually on the fossil watches is coming apart, falling down. This part is, let's see how it will feel on the Misfit. There is a 20mm watch bands, easily removable. You can just this one and then you remove it. And then the same way you put it back. Like this you remove it. And then, okay, let's continue and see what it's booting. Let me put on the wrist real quick. This is actually 42mm. It's 1.2 viewable screen area. It's an OLED screen. Pretty good quality. Not the best one, but it's more than above than medium level. And has the Qualcomm CPU 3100. And also the aluminum body frame. And the backside is some kind of something like ceramic. This part looks like ceramic, I'm not sure. And this is the charging part and with the heart rate monitor. Silicone straps, these are the navy blue, and this part has the Misfit engraving. And let's see, it's booting the second time. Let me put it on the wrist so you can see. My wrist is the 21 centimeters of the round shape, and this one has this part for the knot falling out from the when you tighten it. When you go here, it's automatically locking here, so you will not have this popping up. So this is how it looks like on my wrist. I'm not sure how big is your wrist, but This is mine is the medium worst regular, and this is the very good looking, in my opinion, very good looking smartwatch. And Wear OS by Google. It's boot up. So here, using the middle crown, we can just, as you can see, you can do it like this, and you can use this crown. As you can see, here is the chins, bezels of the main screen. They are bigger, but it is what it is. It is for $40 US instead of 280. And that's it. We can select the English United States. Here, it's pretty responsive. I agree terms of use. And let's see what's going. Yeah, it says on your phone download. OS VaporX, model is 1523. Need help, and that's it. Okay guys, let's finish here. This was the quick unboxing of the Misfit VaporX for $40 US. Unfortunately, I cannot leave a link below because it's all sold out and there is no Misfit watches. Stay well, stay cool. I will come back with another video showing the detailed review of this watch after using 7 days. Peace guys.